Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Oh, crap, I got the volume up on that. Okay, I gotta turn it down. Sorry. I have my chat up on another window. Anyway, welcome to Trader Z. How are we all doing today? Hey, howdy, hey. Hey, Vix. And going over to Weeble. Okay, so one that we were looking at earlier was NAK. It's expected to be doing some things. I'm not sure if it's gonna pop today, tomorrow, next week, but we're going to be keeping an eye on it. Um, SAVA, I think that was one that we were looking at yesterday. It's down pre-market though. Okay, so let's check the heat map. Okay, GA, blah, blah, blah. I'm not ready to talk yet, guys. GE is up 1.53%. RX is up 0.70. Boeing up 2%. I'm looking for something that's more than, oh, I mean, we got a 5% right here, WELL. ENSG is down 4%. PBRA up 3%, 78.39 billion market cap. Oil, okay, so it looks like oil and energy is up today. Healthcare. Yeah, so today might be a good day for oil and gas. Okay, let's go to the 1 day gainers. SLE at 8.51, or was the last? These are never accurate. We'll just click it so I can correct that. 770 SLE. So I've noticed that this right here, this last price, doesn't ever seem to be accurate on Webull. So if you're using this platform, be aware of that. Actually look at the stock and see what it says. IBG, that one's up 105%. Oh, I didn't say. So SLE is up 159% with a 9.5 million market cap. IBG up 105, 7.2 million market cap. DVTL, that's a stock that's trading under $1. It's up 80% though. IPDN up 66, 11 million, we'll just say 12 million market cap. AREB, 61 cents, now trading above $1. That has a 12 million market cap. SSKN, 52%, 13 million market cap, SAVA. So we looked at that one earlier up here. Okay, there it is. Never mind. I was thinking that we saw a chart. Never mind. JZXN. Well, that one's moving up right now. Let's see what the interest in it is. Okay, so this one's moving this morning. JZXN Holdings. I'm going to post that in the Discord real quick. So I don't know anything about this company, but it is doing things. So let's look into it a little bit. JZXN engages in sales of new energy batteries in China. So the company's got two parts: product, which is would be the battery, and the resale. Let me pull that up and read the full article on it. Or not. JZXN is in the consumer cyclical sector. Okay, I want to pull up their actual page. Wonder if this adjusts. It does. That's unfortunate. Okay. Okay, so I'll just have this tab up, but you guys won't be able to see it, so we can keep an eye on what this stock is doing. Okay, so I'm seeing it says here that they're also an auto company, so let's just go to their website. Okay, so it's a company that may pay dividends. I got a kitty. So what I'm looking at right now, I know you guys can't see it. It's not the company website, which is what I had intended to look at. This is a registry paper stating what they're registered as. It just hasn't given me a specific uh, field or product. Hmm. Okay, so I guess it. What's the ticker? Where? Hang on a second. JZXN is a Chinese um, new energy. Hang on. The firm sells new energy vehicles (NEVs) under the brand name Juizi. 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 I'm not sure if I'm supposed to pronounce the Z as a sh or what, but that is the name of the company. It operates through the NEV sales and franchise services segments. They were founded in 2019, headquarters in Hangzhou, China. Okay, so that's why I was getting confused because one thing it was saying make it was they were making batteries, and then another article was saying that they were making vehicles. So, but they just make both. Okay, so back to this. Let's go. So they've only been a company for a few years. Started trading at 95 cents. Hmm. I don't know how I feel about this company, guys. I mean, it does have some nice spikes. I see where you can scalp it, but that was quite a drop back here. I don't know. It does peak at $1.84 and hit 232. Is that the 1 day or the 5 days. I can see where you could scalp this one. I'm just not sure. I don't know. We'll add it to the list to keep an eye on. I haven't managed to figure out the pattern with this stock yet. Okay, we're gonna move on to that because I'm just gonna keep looking at it and I'm not getting anywhere. So back down here to the rest of our stuff. ORIS. It's trending under $1. It is trending up. Was it 24 earlier? It's 26 now. GLTO. So that one's only at 40% and 39%. Let's go to the top for the 5 days. AGMH, was that on? No, it wasn't. Okay, so AGMH is still up for the month. Let's go to the month. Yeah, so it started as $1.50. It is still trade. It is still up. Bria, that was one that we were looking at yesterday. Hit 52 bucks. Currently trading about 24.75. BETR, that hit 94. Where's it? Oh, that'd have been nice. Could have made 60 bucks off of each share if you bought it at 33. What is your ah low of 17 for the month, 3 months low of 11, 6 months low of $8, 1 year low of 771, 771 for the 5 years. Let's go to max. Okay, I mean I know that there might be dips below this, but I might actually add this one to my watch list. SLE, was that one? Yep. So this one is trending for the day and the week. It's a top gainer. I guess I should say. Super League, it's up 165%, 9.5 million market cap. ARBB, that one's up 152%, 21 million market cap. Trading at $11, hit 13, low 7, 5 days, low 4, 1 month, low 3, 3 month, low 3, 362. Okay, so this one doesn't seem to fall below $1. I don't know if I want to add it. Okay, we'll just add it to the one list. Tab. I'm sorry, buddy. Time is it's 8:30. Sell in age. that one? No. So that one's not up for the day, but it is up for the month. Currently trading at 223. Hit a high of 38.50. Was trading under $1 for that. This is the one that we already looked at. ORIS. Yeah. SPRC. That one's up 129% with a 6.8 million market cap. Trading at 410. Let's go to your 5 days. Low at 383. 161. 161. So even at the 6 month, the low is still 161. 1 year, that would still be the low. So this one dipped all the way down to 55 cents. What happened here? October 1st of 2021. I'm curious. That is a huge dip. SCISPARC. Sorry. Um, okay, so the SCIS, Spark, I'm assuming that's how you pronounce the name. They are a cannabinoid pharmaceutical company that specializes in treatment of nervous disorders. So, $20.21. Dude, it's so hard to type. Sitting on my lap and occupying one of my arms. Thank you. He's like, fine, then I'll leave. Okay, so Size Park 2021. Why did it crash? So it's a small cap stock. Um, it it spiked. So it says that the reason why it crashed wasn't any specific thing. It was over time. Um, there wasn't a lot of capital to buy and sell, so the price jumped up. What I'm getting from this article is the price seems to have jumped up very quickly, and it couldn't sustain that price, so it dipped very drastically as a result of not having enough capital to um, sell to buyers. They've also had significant profit losses. over the years. The field apparently was getting some pushback as well. It says it's a clinical stage pharmaceutical company. SciSpark stock is highly sensitive to the success of its drug development pipeline. Negative news from competitors' trials in 2021 may have weighed on overall market sentiment for speculative pharma investments, including SciSpark. So it's that, and that is something. Well, let me check one of my other Canna stocks and see if I can compare that. Mm, I'm trying to think of which ones are. I don't remember if SNDL is a Canna Med stock or just a Canna stock. I guess at some point they'd all have to be a Canna Med stock just to be able to sell in all states. Okay, so we'll go to 5 years. ICCM. There's a better one. Wait. Slide. Guess it is ICCM. Okay. Let's go back to 2021. Okay, so this one didn't make quite the drastic decline as crap, what we're looking at. SciSpark, but it did drop. It's trading at about 12.30 a share and dipped to 5 and then continued to dip all the way down to a couple of dollars. Okay, so I guess that kind of supports that. I was just curious. IBG trading at 75 cents, up 110%, 7.2 million market cap. QLGN trading at 106. Volume is, well, I don't trust that. I'll trust the market cap though, 7 million market cap. And then the last one for the 5 days would be NVNI. Was that one on our list yesterday? I think it was. Yep. Had a nice little jump up yesterday. Trading at $1.34 now. Okay, so let's go to the 1 month. QMM. That one is on my radar now. Anyway, so that one is up 2,274% with a 6.24 billion market cap. PTNM, that's up 756%. Show it up here with a 190 million market cap. ORBS. Okay, so ORBS is up 170, not blah, 741% with a 325 billion market cap. I want to look a little closer at this one. So this is 5 days. Yeah, so 5 days it hit a high of 15. Currently trading at 12.97. We were at 11.26 right here. For the spike, we're at 11.01. Then 10.45 is a low. So 10.94. ORBS. I feel like this is one. This is probably one that's already on my list. Yes, it is. Okay, so I've already vetted this one out. Um, maybe we'll do some trading with it today if it is moving. Oh, RBS. So 1 day. Ah, it's got a little bit of interest. Okay, so the next one is SKBL. Uh, trading at up the stop up 520%. Volume is 9,000. WLDS, that one's up 418. Crap. Don't trust the volume. I don't trust it. It's probably inaccurate. Um, SKBL, we're going back to that one because I said the volume and didn't say the market cap. Sorry. 38 million market cap. Okay, WLDS. I'm about to just remove the spark line. I like seeing it, but it's getting in my way. That was a silly thing to do. I did not think it would do that. This isn't necessary. I just wanted to do that. Okay. Stop it. That's fine. Okay, so SOGP. That one's up on the month, but is down, yeah, down on the 5 days. Let's look at it on the month. I mean, so it started out the month at about 306, maybe $4. Yeah, $5, $6, okay. And then came up to about 17, dipped to 11, and then back up to 18, which is where it is now. SLNH, that was on our 5 days. Was it also on our 1 month? Or not our 1 month, our 1 day? Nope, it was not. Okay, so Little Holdings, we talked about that on the 5 days. Also up for the month as well. So month, here we are, here we were. Bob's your uncle. Bria, this one has caught my attention recently. I've seen it have some nice little spikes here. I should look a little bit more into this one and see why it's doing that. Is it news related or is it just random interest? AGMH, 260%, 25.39 million market cap. CISCHEK. That one was one we looked at yesterday. I don't remember if it was up on the month and the 5 day or not. I think it was just up on the month though. So that one's still up 245%. Market cap 15.76 million. We go back to the 5 days. We are still ever so slightly above that low. But it started out at 65 cents, go to the 1 month, and it was trading under $1. Okay, BETR, that was one that we looked at. Where else did we look at that? Might have been on our heat map. No, it's right there. So that one's also up for the month. Trading at 67.42. This one I think was one that was moving this morning. Go to my. No, that was JX ZN. JXZN. ORBS 1315. Don't have volume. Oh, there it is. It's just very faint. Oh, I need to check and see how all of the colors look on the stream. So you guys can still see the blue. That is crazy. But I can change this stuff back to green now. None of these greens look right. Hmm. Okay, this is silly. I'm about to just leave it blue. I mean, you can see that. Whatever, we'll just leave it the way it is. AREB's up 2%. 5 days. Not having a good month. 6 months. 1 year. Huh. Okay. One live trader. UNH. Let's take a look at UNH. Oh yeah. UNH trade. 5 minute and 4 hour candles look yummy. Yeah. Do you ever use the 30 minute? I was actually thinking about taking those off because I don't use them. I like that there. And that there. It's it's funny how the chart can look so different from here on the 4 hour to here on the 1 minute. It's 8:49. Nothing's moving quite. There is that um, JZXN. That one's up 58% pre-market. I'm gonna watch it for a minute though. See what it does. That one's new. RGTX. One's up 4%. Trading at 173.41. Could have made 20 bucks this morning if you'd bought it and flipped it right there. Per share. I'm gonna throw that one out in the Discord in case anybody's wanting to look at it. I think my space bar's sticking or something. Keeps moving my space all the way over. Anyway, okay. Just going through the Discord looking at some of the messages. Okay, it is 8:52. We've got a few callouts that I want to take a look at, but I'm gonna grab me some more coffee and I'm just gonna keep our GTX. Well, UNH. What's UNH doing right now? United Health Group. The one at the 1 minute. Okay, well, we'll come back to that. RGPX. That's what I was looking at, I believe. I'm just going to keep this one up on the screen for a minute and refill my coffee, etc., etc. And I shall be right back. Hello everyone. I'm back. Okay. Well, RGTX dipped down 174. I just looked at it. It was right here. Well, that happens. So we're on paper trade right now. Gotta make sure that the kitty is comfortable while we trade stocks. This one doesn't have as much volume available as earlier. Oh wait, we are looking at UNH. Is that it? Yeah, UNH. Go to the 5 minute, the 4 hour. 4 hour still looks good. Then we also had a few that we were going to look at in the Discord, from the Discord. Denise, she's a good trader. BA. She's got a few of them. Alibaba. The 4 hours, that's straight up. 1 minute. Let's go 30 minutes. I've never used a 30 minute, but I'm gonna see what information it offers me. I've never traded Alibaba, so I'm not sure if that one's done its thing for the day or what. Go to the 4 hour candle. It's starting to dip. This is a call out from earlier, so but perhaps it's what she wants. It's a dip so she can scalp it. Or she could be shorting it. CIFR. C for mining. Jumped up a couple bucks. It's on my list. Okay. Would have figured it to be right here somewhere. CLPT. I don't know if I've heard of that one before. No, I haven't. That's a new one. It's got good volume. It is 9:12 right now. Dude, he's clawing me. Okay, so IREN. It's not on my watch list either. Okay, yeah, this one's up from 42.40. 42.94 right now. Open. That's one from last week, or maybe 2 weeks ago. We were in open. $7.46. We might get into open again. On paper trade right now. We could get into another one, but it's 16 minutes till. I'd rather not be stuck in a trade at 9:30. Switch over to regular account. Ah, crap. It's fine. There we go. $7.52. Nice. Thousand volume. Okay, so 52, 52, 52. 51. Volumes open it up. $7.55, 54. Bah. I mean, I'm excited for the stock. I'm just not in the trade yet. It's in 2 minutes, look like. Hmm. Do I think it's gonna dip that low before it comes back up? Hmm. It's possible. Sure, I could get in at 7:52. It's still early though. So that one dips down there, and that one will probably dip down to 7:50. So it looks like 10 minutes. I don't know. I'm just guessing, guys. Hmm. No. Was our 2 minutes? 1 minute? We'll put in an order for 10 shares at 7:50. So I feel like it'll dip to 7:50 and then come back. Could be wrong, but we're gonna see. 53. I don't know. Projection is 54. 52. 53. We may have to pull up, but hopefully be able just to catch on a little bit of a dip. Mm, we may have to come up to 52, but it's still before 9:30, so I shouldn't be too eager to get into this trade. Oh, you guys probably can't see some of the stuff behind me, can you? No, I'm right in front of it. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to the other screen so you guys can see. Hmm. Okay, let's go. Ah, this is probably a mistake. We're going 52. Yep, I got in. Should have waited though. because it'll probably dip a little bit again. I was just curious what the 4-hour candle looked like. See, it did go 51. We could have waited. Nope. Yep, 750. There we would have got in. So it didn't take my shares, but it won't let me cancel the order. So I'm not sure why it's doing that. Because it still has the buy at 0. Order cannot be canceled. Why? Okay. Or we'll just go switch over to, well, I got it set today, take profit. Hmm. What is going on with this? Hmm. Okay. Um, I guess I just had an issue because now the rest of my options were here, which I thought was weird that they weren't, but I kind of gotten used to the paper trade. Doesn't have them, I guess. So I'm not sure what to do about this order right here. It won't let me do anything with it, and now it's gone. Okay, yeah, all right. U, 52-week high. That's just disappointing. I was in this. I was trying to get in this. Uh, okay. I'll now decide if I still want to get in this one. It's on 59, 57, 56, 55, 56. 748. Trading up here, but 2 minutes. Let's try 10, 758. Day stop loss. 56 now. Ah, crap. I should have adjusted it. Oh well. 52-week high AM. Okay, so hopefully it does not drop below this point. 42, 43. Volume opening up. Back to the 1 minute. I may just have to dip out of this one. Let's see, where was... Very close to that point. That's unfortunate. I may have just got into this one too late. Stop loss is clear down there. I'm down $2. I'm just looking for any other 15, 29 points where it's dipped like that and come back up. Volume increasing. 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, 50,000, 28,000. All right, 744, 43, 44, 43, 44, 45. Do I hear 46? Ah, 46, 47, 48, 49, 47. Nope. 48, yeah. Get out of here, 46. And 43, and all those other ones. It's quite a dip there. Just wanting to adjust my stop loss, but not sure where to adjust it to. I bet it didn't take that. It didn't. Make me verify. Weeble's being kind of laggy today. All right, 748. 5 minutes. That candle was scary. Ooh, NAK. We'll just scroll down here real quick. NAK's trading at $1, guys. Oh, crap. Open. Yep, that's what I was trading in. 750 for open. 53. Okay. $5 is still blue. 2 minutes is still blue. 1 minute is still blue. Okay. 5 minutes. One minute. That's looking good. Okay, now we're up 91 cents so far. And this is just on 10 shares. NBIS 52-week high. $58, $59. Why did it buy me in at $7.57? I had it set to limit. I think at the end of this trade, any time I have left to trade, I'm gonna switch over to Thinkorswim and off stream check and see if maybe we will need to update because it's just doing some things that I don't think are normal. And I don't think it's all operator error. Volume increasing again. 59. D860. So there have been a couple of points where I could have just pulled my stop loss up above here and made my profit. I'm just wanting to stay on this trade a little longer and maximize profit on it. But, you know, that could always bite me because it could always just dip straight down and kick me, and then I didn't get anything for my time. 762. Two minutes, 5 minutes. So I'm trying to just stay below the 5 minutes. I'm like 5 cents below it, but so we're currently up right now. We could pull our stop loss up here, but I know if I do, it'll kick me immediately. Okay, so go to the 1 day. So if it keeps dipping down like this too many times, it will eventually just wait for it to pop back up and sell it. Morning, Trader Z. Yeah, I did see NAK over $1. I checked it first thing this morning. All right, we're at 761, 62, 63. Where's my 5 minute? Okay, we'll pull it up to there. I want it to go up, and then I can just pull it up to like right here. I'm gonna scroll down here so I can look at NAK real quick. Maybe. Okay, we're at $1.05. I don't want to touch it, or it'll move my other one. You know what? I'll just put open here so I can just bop back and forth between two. Alright, NAK. Just keep going up. That'll make me happy. Alright, it's up 10%. So is, I guess it's not quite 10%, but LFWD, life word. LITM's up 4, no, LITM's up 7%. Alright, 753. We're getting close. Don't do it. Just go back up. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. No. Just go up. Ah, knew it. Ah, that's all right. We lost a couple bucks on that one. Okay, it's 9:52. Weeble's being weird, so I'm gonna switch over to Thinkorswim because I don't want to deal with this bugginess. I mean, I am trying to trade on both platforms anyway. Um, but I don't. I could get into a few more trade or another trade on Weeble before I switch over to Thinkorswim, but it's being buggy, so we're gonna keep we're gonna keep Weeble up to keep an eye on NAK, but we're gonna do other things on Thinkorswim. 68, 65. That just break $2? Not $2, $1.02. It did. It hit $1.02, guys. Ooh, look at you do things. Get back to Thinkorswim. Kitty, you're falling off my lap. There. $1.03. I'm excited, guys. $1.04. What? Live trader, Trader Z, NAK is doing things. I'm gonna post about it. I'm sure somebody else already has. I guess I'll just have to keep that up in the background, cause well, no, you guys can. I can just switch it over to Thinkorswim view. I will just keep an eye on that. Thinkorswim. There we go. And I'm not really in the way of anything important on this one, I don't think. Slash. Okay, I gotta sign into the paper one. Just give me a second, guys. I'll watch NAK while I log back in. $1.05. 103. Yeah, I see where it hit 103. Woot. This is exciting. I want to trade something else, but I also just want to watch this one. No, don't you dare. Blue candles all the way. Or green. Because I can't figure out what green they used on this. So this trade, uh, at this point has become a long. It wasn't exactly intended to be. It was. I knew it might end up being, but uh, it was all right because this is a company that I had faith in and still do have faith in. Anyway, so this one's going well for me. So I bought several shares at different times. Some I bought for 250, some I bought for 80 cents, some I bought for 60, some I bought for 90, but altogether it equaled out to about 122 per share, which I don't think is a bad price. And once this breaks 122, I'll really be in the green for that on that. Okay, so we're hanging out at $1.04 or $1.05. I did have 900 shares yesterday, but I offloaded just 100 just to kind of free up some more um, cash flow for trading. Gonna move this bar up here. A lot of dips open and nice recoveries by the dip, lol. This is true. Buy the dip. That's what I did with NIK. I just bought it whenever it dipped down. It had originally, uh, so I had made money off of NIK. I bought it below 250 and then it hit 250 and I bought more shares and then it dipped. Um, and I just bought more shares as it dipped and it kind of brought my overall cost per share down, which was nice. Now, I will say that I did that a few times, and the last time I did it, didn't benefit me because I bought it when it dipped and then it dipped again, so then I was stuck with those shares. But it is still, um, I've still made a recovery um, from profits lost because I took the time and I did that several times. Blah, 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 blah. My kitty left me. Okay, so yeah, 104, 105. We can just keep going up from there. That would make me pretty happy. I was gonna do some trading on Thinkorswim. Just getting distracted with watching NAK. I don't think the day is the day that it hits 250, but it might be, and I want to be there when it does. Um, there we go. Mm, 105.50. It's $1.05 and like half cents, in case you weren't paying attention. Okay, so we got Thinkorswim up. It locks my screen up, so I have to go to my other screen to pull up Weeble. So I'll just put you guys on Thinkorswim. I am in the way. Where is my data? Where is my data? Okay, that is odd. Gonna back out of that. Guess we're gonna go back to Weeble. It didn't say there was an update for Thinkorswim. That's odd. Hey, $1.09. We're just gonna watch NAK. It's doing things, and I'm just gonna update all of this stuff when I hop off. $1.09 for NAK, $1.08. BBI looking to buy the 8 flush with the tight stop, FYI. Where's Beans? Oh, he's in. $109 was our high right here. I'm pretty excited about this, guys. Clearpoint Neuro, that one's up 46%. The Jay-Z XN company that we found this morning, that one's up 32 still. And AK is up 15. Yeah. I'm so excited. Go away 107. Only up. Like a game of Fortnite. Oh. Nobody wants to see you around here, 106. You guys can't hear me. I said I'm gonna pop over to the other screen so you guys can see the buy interest behind me, but I may consider reorganizing the screen so that you guys can see it better. $107. Do I hear a 110? Gotta move this up here. Go to 5 minute. Oh, this is 5 minutes. Go back to 5 minutes. We've got 23,000 at 109, but I'm not seeing any really big buys until we get to 65 cents. I got a 7,000 right here. Most of them are 2,000, 1,000, 3,000. Well, that's about four, but that's the first big one I see. Then I got a 10,000 right here. So a little less on the buy interest. Less volume right now too. But this isn't a scalp, so I would like to point out one option that I also would have had here is right here when it hit 109. I could have sold all 800 of my shares, and then I could have went back in at right now that it's at 104, and I could have repurchased 800 shares, made profit off of what it had already done, and then still been able to hold on to some. Come on, you can break 109. What are you doing, dude? Got a cat pawing at my chair. Okay, between 108 and 106. What the fuck did it look like? Okay. I want to look at JZXN again. 1812. It's not. We didn't see it before it got here, I don't think. Sale PT. Ah, crap. Well, we can look at Riot too. Okay, so 108, 104, still hasn't broken 109. Mm. 108.50. It's trying. It's trying to break $1.09. Let's go to the 1 minute, see what we're doing. I don't know, guys. It might break 109 soon. It just keeps flirting with it. Have to wait and see, I suppose. The 24,000 at 109. Oh, it broke 109. It went 110 for just a second. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna move this bar right here and go back to the 5 minutes. put it there. Yeah. 110. Okay. Now it's flirting with 110. 35,000 to sell at 110. It's got some volume. Let's see, 111. Less volume. Still plenty to sell though. Plenty for sale. Just tighten that up because that's 2 cents fluctuation. Wants on my lap? He doesn't want on my lap. Can't make up his mind. Sorry, I'm talking about my cat. Ooh, 111, 112. popped over here for a second. I just want to show you guys. This little guy wants my cheese. It's my cheese. Anyway, I'll get out of your way so you guys can see that by interest. No, it's my cheese. We got 13. that. What are you doing, NAK? So we're still trying to break 13. We dipped down to 109 on the 5 minutes. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's bring this line down a little. Still got that 18,000 at 65. I don't think you're gonna get it. 12,000 at $1.80. 11,000 to sell at 119. Ooh, hey, 114. Paling was up, feathers were down, paper was stationary, fluorescent tubing was dimmed in light trading. Knives were up sharply, pencils lost a few points. Hiking equipment was trailing, elevators rose while escalators continued their slow decline. Weights were up in heavy trading. Mining equipment hit rock bottom, diapers remained unchanged. The market for raisins dried up. Balloon prices were inflated, and toilet paper touched a new bottom. That's pretty funny. Oh, hey, 115. Yeah. Maybe we can pull this line up here. Box it up a little bit at 111. That'd be cool. All right. So we're still looking at the 5 minutes. Ah, what are you doing? What are you doing? I was just about to move that line up and it's like bloop. Fine. Let's go to the 1 minute, 2 minutes. $92,000 in volume. Got a lot of $2,000 bids. 11,000 to sell at 13. 11,000 to sell at 19. I mean, it's moved a lot over the last 4 hours. Never like I feel like I think I already said this. I've never really used the 4 hour chart, but let's start looking at it. Okay. Was about to put a line right there, but it just popped out of there. So we'll just wait and see. I was just curious if any of my bars lined up with any other points on the other timelines. Sort of. Still trading within the 15 to 11. 12 technically because it's 11.98. 1.1198. I see we had a call out for LAC. We'll take a quick look at that. Lithium Americas. It's trading at 596, 597. Still up 94%. And then there was another one. Oh, look, QQQ. We should already have that one on our list. Maybe we do not. Okay. This is also one to be watching. Says QQQ getting tight. Let's go back to NAK real quick. All right. 1450. Still in the 5 minutes. I might be able to adjust this up. I say that. And then it hits 12. And there is still room for this to go up, of course. So that's cool. Galaxy GLXY is 52-week high, up 7.53%. Going back to LAC. These ones. I mean, it's moving. I mean, you can always you can scalp in a red candle too. Just depends on when you buy in. I just don't know about that right now. As long as I've been looking at it, which is approximately 5 minutes. Okay, so been watching this for a few minutes. You could probably scalp this one. I'm gonna go back over to NAK though, see what it's doing. Oh no. I look away from it. It starts to dip. So I am hoping today that we close over $1. I'm pretty sure we will. Because this projection is up to 7. It was at 6. Let's go volume open. $9, $10, $8, $9. Okay, guys. NAK might still pop today. We're not sure. I do have to uh, go do some things, but we will come back to NAK tomorrow and see how it did. Anyway, so good luck with all the trades that you guys are in today. I know we got a few trades going on the group, so I really hope that everybody does well today and makes plenty of money. And I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.